Hey guys, so here we are on number 8. So here we go. So we're dealing with an ellipse because of the plus sign. Okay, so my center is going to be at 2, 1. So 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to put my A out here. So A is the biggest, so the square root of 36, which is 6, and it's under Y. So I'm going to go up 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my vertices are going to be 2 and 7, and 2 and -5. B is the square root of 25, which is 5, and it's under X. So we're going to go left and right. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my co-vertices are going to be at 7, 1 and -3, 1. Okay, and then we have to deal with the foci. So here we go. So it's a plus sign, so this will be c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So c squared equals 6 squared minus 5 squared. And I'm just going to put this into the calculator. So 6 here. So c squared equals 11. Take the square root. So c squared, oopsies, is 3.3. Okay. So c is 3.3, and that's going to go with our y value. So up 3.3, 1, 2, 3.3, 1, 2, 3.3. So my focus is going to be at 2 and 4.3, and 2 and 1, -2.3. And don't forget to connect the outside dots. Okay, we'll pretend that's a great looking ellipse. Okay, and we're done here for that one. Okay, number 9. Now we're dealing with a parabola. Okay. If you don't like it written this way, we can actually flip it. Okay, so we're not stuck with it this way, even though we're used to it this way. So here we go. We have our vertex. Now please be careful. It's going to be +1 and +4. So we've got to change those signs. So 1, 4 is our vertex. Okay. Opens. Because it's a y squared, it either opens right or left. Because it's negative, we want to the left. That's where all the negative numbers are, right? On the left. Okay. Axis of symmetry, I'm just going to say AOS, goes through my y-axis at 4. Before we can talk about focus and directrix, we have to set 4p equal to -4. Remember, it's always 4p. So divide by 4. P equals -1. We're talking about a distance, so one time you can actually forget the negative. We're going to put a dot here, and a dot there. Now, which one's our focus? So where do we always find our focus? And it's always inside the graph. So this one's my focus at, it looks like 0, 4. Okay, so that means this little guy is going to be my directrix. And that's cutting through my x-axis at 2. And that's it. Yay! So number 10. Okay. So here we go. I graphed it. It's a parabola. Oh, I kind of forgot the little f, or my f. So here's my focus, here's my directrix. We got to find the middle. So we start counting. Everything we do, we count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Half of 12 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to start by making our shell. My vertex is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like it's 8, comma, -1. Okay. So before we can start doing things, which way does this graph have to go? So it all goes to where is our focus with the graph. So since it's always inside, we open up. So what opens up? X squared or y squared? And you're right, it is the x squared. So that y goes there. So it's going to be -8 and +1. Okay. Oh, and I forgot, how much was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put a 6 here. And last question, when it opens up, is this positive or negative? If you said positive, good job. So here we go. It's just going to be x minus 8 squared equals 24y plus 1. Good job. Good job. Okay. Number 11, we're going to do the circle. So my center, just like everything else, we pull it out of the parentheses and change the sign. So we're going to get 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Now our radius is not 16, but the square root of 16, which is 4. So what you're going to do is go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, even though I just went right, and right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 1, 2, 3, 4. And do the best at trying to draw a beautiful little circle. And that's it. Don't you love good problems? Okay, and then number 12. And I'm just going to use this paper. So it's x squared plus y squared Now, here, just be aware, it tells us it's a circle, so we don't have to do the typical dividing like we do at the end. So just like we did before, collect your x's together, collect your y's together, let's put a plus there, and I'm going to move 209 to the other side. Okay. I didn't give myself enough room. Let me just do this real quick. Plus 18x, give myself some room, plus y squared plus 24y, give myself some room, equals negative 209, plus something, plus something. So you're just going to do 18 divided by 2, which is 9, square it, and get 81. So we'll put 81 here and here. Now you're going to take 24 divided by 2, which is 12, square it, and we get 144. So we'll put it here and here. Now we're going to fig factor. So we have the x squared, and we're going to put the 9 right there, and put the squared on the outside. Repeat with the y's. I'm going to grab my calculator, my handy dandy calculator, 209, 81, 84, and I get 16, and you're done. So the nice thing about a circle is, literally, we are done. I hope this helps, and I wish you luck on your quiz on Friday. Bye, guys.